agreed to cut his hair. It's been 8 months. Remember the fee, ah? Don't you forget it. Hi! Guys, si Melba na tuloy. Hindi ko na kinaya. Sobrang nagtatantrum. Ayan. Of course, hindi ko na naman natapos. So, it's Melba. Dito nasa mood. Nako, oh my gosh. Handsome na. Father, what can you say with your new hair? Dapat before and after. Hey boys, what can you say about that new hair? Ate, ikaw pa daw. Kasi lahat na tayo. Ikaw na daw. Ay, walang tiwala. Walang tiwala. No trust. The third daughter to cut the hair. Mama's so scared. Hi, Father. It's so nice to see you after 3 months. And look, your hair is so long na. Yoo-hoo! Long hair na siya, no? My dad's sporting a long hair, ah.